Do you want your life easier and simplified? Technology will grant you your wish and give you gadgets. Welcome to our channel, Techler, with another video on 11 gadgets that will make your life easier. Now, let's start. Number 1. Moonstars Projector. Moonstars, small alarm clock luminous stars and moons to decorate your child's room and create a beautiful starry night. This will bring a lot of fun to your child. The setting of this alarm clock for the bedroom is done by 4 buttons. By touching the clock above the clock for kids, the night light can be turned on and off easily. This kid's alarm clock has 7 rainbow-colored night lights. It can be used as a wake-up light, multicolored night lights, mood night light, atmosphere lighting, kids' bedroom clocks, and will reflect the stars and moon. This kid's digital clock is operated by 3 pieces 1.5 volt AAA battery, so you can put it anywhere in the room. Number 2. Tesla Plasma Loudspeaker. It's a smart device of wireless transmission. You'll become fascinated by this Tesla coil. It's absolutely a magic for kids, even for adults. We can't wait to hunt out the knowledge behind the model. You can connect your phone, MP3, computer audio. It is not limited to music format, can play any form of music. The product adopts the new PCB circuit board, reasonable circuit design. A circle of green lights is added to the base to make the model beautiful. This music Tesla can light fluorescent lamp, neon bubble, spectral tube, glow tube, stroboscopic tube, etc. It can produce an arc. The high temperature produced by the arc can ignite the paper. You can also use it as a magic prop to perform. Number 3. Wall Pop-Out Outlet. This outlet hides wires and pops out on one push. This plastic outlet comes in a square shape and is ideal for copper wires. It comes with a UL safety listing, which means it meets the defined safety standards. The pop-out outlet is tamper resistant, which helps to prevent electrical injuries. The 15 ampere outlet is the most common outlet found in the home. With the 15 ampere outlet, a 14 gauge wire or larger is needed. If unsure, the 15 ampere outlet is recommended. Requires a minimum box size of 22.5 cubic inches. Does not require new wires for typical installation. Number 4. Smart Wi-Fi LED Floor Lamp. Hue Live Floor Lamp is a modern style floor lamp. You can adjust the color and brightness of the lamp according to your needs, which makes your life more convenient. Hue Live smart floor lamps can be controlled by voice, app, and touch. There are 2 buttons on the pole. You can switch, select color, and change the brightness. You can also control it by app Smart Life. There are more functions. There are 16 million colors and 8 scenes. The maximum lumen up to 2000. You can adjust the brightness of the lamp as you prefer. The maximum brightness will definitely meet your needs. The head of this floor lamp can be adjusted up and down by 30 degrees. The upgraded base is 2.2 kilograms, which makes it more stable. Hue Live floor lamp has been optimized for easier installation. Number 5. Eye-Caring Office Lamp. This eye-caring desk lamp provides a gentle, natural light that protects your eyes. Designed for reading, studying, and working, with the floor stand extension, you can transform an eye care desk lamp into a modern floor lamp to enjoy reading time in the living room or bedroom. The LED light source saves energy and has a life of up to 50,000 hours. It comes with a power-saving LED light that is adjustable up to 7 brightness levels and 4 lighting modes, which can be set according to the activity you are engaged in, be it reading, working, studying, or sleeping. It is a foldable lamp, and the arm can be rotated up to 180 degrees and the base swivels up to 90 degrees. Number 6. Music Bedside Lamp with Wireless Charger. It has a built-in battery for the light and speaker. Connect your phone via Bluetooth and relax with your favorite music. Touch-sensitive night lamp with 4 brightness levels, 0%, 30%, 70%, and 100%. Easy reaching and convenient light for your bedside table or nightstand. Smart music table lamp with Bluetooth 5.0, 33 feet max transmission distance, loudspeaker system 2.0. The 3-in-1 Bluetooth speaker brings you a better music experience. 180 degrees rotation of the light bar, find the best position for any of your devices such as cell phone, pad, and ebook. In both horizontally and vertically, it gets you a comfortable viewing angle. Sleek and stylish design packed in a beautiful gift box. Great gift idea for a birthday, holiday, Christmas gift, unique gift for women, men, dad, mom, wife, sisters, or best friend. Number 7. CLOCKY. CLOCKY is the alarm clock that runs away to get you out of bed. CLOCKY is super loud. Part robot, part alarm clock, he sounds like R2-D2. Obnoxious enough so you can't sleep through. Hands down the best alarm clock for the deep sleeper. You can snooze one time for 1 to 8 minutes or turn off the snooze feature. CLOCKY, the digital mobile alarm clock, will light up in the dark and leap into action when it's time to get up, and you'll chase it. Number 8. Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This robot vacuum and mop, while it's smart, is maybe not quite as brilliant as some other bots out there today. Clean your floors more effectively and efficiently with Roborock E5. Using its powerful battery, Roborock E5 delivers up to 200 minutes and 2,152 square feet of non-stop cleaning on a single charge, helping clean your home at once. With 2500 PA hyperforce suction, Roborock E5 easily lifts dust and hair from floors and pulls it from deep inside carpets, and Carpet Boost ensures every carpet gets max power. A 640 ml dustbin stores more dirt, dust, and pet hair, making it easier to tackle large spaces or just empty it less often. Number 9. Home Automation Hub. Hubitat Elevation is a local, reliable, fast, and private home automation hub to connect your smart devices. Powerful built-in apps such as Rule Machine, Simple Automation Rules, Mode Manager, and Motion Lighting let you build your own unique automations for all of your smart devices. Works with a wide range of smart devices including lights, speakers, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, smoke and water detectors, locks, thermostats, sensors, Lutron, and more. Free iOS and Android mobile app includes device control, dashboards, presence sensor, and management tools. Number 10. LED Water Speaker. The dancing water speakers is typically a small product. The size and weight of this product are often comparable to those of a dancing water speakers. Suitable for PC, Mac, MP3 players, mobile phones, iPhones, and tablets. With built-in 1200 mAh battery and fully charged in 2 hours, last long for 6 hours works on, the water dancing speakers support to play music while charging. The latest Bluetooth 5.0 speaker for iOS, Android, Windows, and other audio devices. The efficiency of long-distance transmission is doubled and the stability is higher. Number 11. Rainbow Night Projector. The Rainbow Night Projector is an LED light reflecting projector that projects a colorful, multicolored light onto any wall surface. You get 5 LED lamps that light up the mirrored surface, which then reflects this light onto a wall, thus giving the effect of a rainbow in your home. You can use the supplied power cable, or if you prefer to use 4x AAA batteries, you also have 2 lighting modes to choose from also. The Rainbow Projector is made from plastic and is white in color. The light measures 23.5 centimeters in width into 11 centimeters in height, and it has a depth of 10 centimeters. This light weighs 185 grams. It is an energy-saving projector, runs automatically off function. This Rainbow Projector turns off automatically after 10 minutes. If you guys like this video or this video helped you, please give this video a like. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date on the latest and greatest in tech info. Till next time.